Greetings, my name is Carrie Shapiro and I am the Program Coordinator for the Supply Chain Management Program at Polk State College. You might be wondering, what is supply chain all about? People tend to associate supply chain with warehouses and forklifts, which are important because companies use warehouses to store their products before shipping to customers. But the supply chain is so much more. Stop right now and think of something that you couldn't find in stores when the coronavirus first happened. What was it? Hand sanitizer? Bread? Toilet tissue maybe? Whatever it was, you couldn't find it because of a breakdown in the global supply chain. Supply chain asks, how do we manage inventory? What is the fastest and cheapest way to transport and deliver? How do we manage overall operations to ensure we serve our customers and still make money? Think about all the online shopping that goes on every single day. Supply chain is all about providing goods and services from the point of producing a product all the way to the final point, which is you, the person who buys the product, and all the jobs in between. Let's talk about a loaf of bread. The farmer grows the wheat, he sells it to the suppliers who supply it to the companies who will use it. There are manufacturers who make the bread bags, ties, and containers that will be used by the bakeries. The bread is produced and distributed to retail stores, and customers go to the retail store and buy the finished product. So if there is any breakdown anywhere along this chain of supply, we enter the store and find an empty shelf, or we go online and find the item unavailable. Supply chain affects us all. As you can see, there are many different aspects of the supply chain and thousands of jobs associated with each. Smooth and efficient supply chains rely on knowledgeable employees, and that's where you could come in. If this sounds interesting to you, Polk State offers 2 college credit programs in supply chain, the Logistics and Transportation Specialist Certificate and the Associate in Science degree in Supply Chain Management. If you live in Polk County, you are in a hot spot for supply chain. Central Florida is a supply chain hub. We have millions of square feet of warehousing available to companies, and we're still building. We have Amazon, Rooms to Go, Discount Auto Parts, Medline, major companies whose inventory distribution centers are right here in our backyard. Entry-level pay for supply chain managers is around $48,000 annually and can move upwards to around $85,000 or more. We've mentioned Polk County, but remember, the real term is global supply chain. Supply chain is everywhere in the world, and so are the job opportunities. Getting started at Polk State College starts with an easy, free online application available at polk.edu. You'll receive an email within 24 to 48 hours outlining the next steps of the admission process. Feel free to contact the Supply Chain Management Department for help along the way. Once the admission process is complete, you can register for classes. Our semesters begin about every 2 months. Classes are mostly online with a few campus meetings at our Airside Center in Lakeland. For more information and questions, please contact us. We would love to speak with you. The Supply Chain Management Program Director is Susan Watley, and the Program Coordinator is Carrie Shapiro, that's me. Email is the best way to reach us during this time. Feel free to refer back to this video at any point if you'd like to see the information again. We hope to talk with you soon.